Hello, my name is Grant Fritchie. I'm the Scary DBA. I work for Redgate Software. I want to talk to you about offsite backups. Now, if you're doing your job, you're taking backups of your database. Absolutely, right? You get backups, they go someplace else. If you're not doing your job well, you might be storing those backups on the same drive as your data. You might be storing them on the same machine as your data. What you really need to do is get those backups to another location, preferably several other locations, right? In the old days, what we would do at some of the bigger companies is we'd have these giant tape machines, and everything would go out to these, literally tape, and the tape would then get shipped to some offsite storage, and it all worked reasonably well, although it would take, hours or days even sometimes to get back the tape from an offsite storage. This is a new world we're in today. We've got offsite storage built into every single one of our machines. It's called the Internet. There are a whole slew of offsite storage capabilities you've got. Microsoft supplies some, Amazon supplies some. There's some from other sources, Google. They've all got them out there, and they're great, right? Dropbox. Who cares? I don't care which one you use. What I'm saying is you've got built-in offsite storage, and it's built-in offsite storage that allows for fast retrieval. Yes, I know your internet speed is going to limit that, but it's a lot faster than driving a truck to some other location, finding the right tape, and then driving that truck back. Trust me, you want to be doing this. It is a security mechanism. It is a part of your disaster recovery mechanism. It's a way to protect your business, right? Because your data is your business. Redgate SQL Backup Pro has a new version out that provides a mechanism to automatically move your backups to some offsite storage. This is great. This is finally the ability to easily, quickly, automatically, built into your backup process, get it to offsite storage so that you're protected in the event that there's some sort of outage. You get that meteor strike. Now you've got protection. Let's take a look at it. This is SQL Backup Pro. Let's take a look at some of the new stuff we've got. Now if we take a look in here, we can go to Tools, and we can go to Server Options, and we have a new tab, Hosted Storage Settings. Now this is where you can immediately set up and link an account. I've already linked it. My server account was with my email address, which is grant@scarydba.com, and the password, and you can now see the information that I've put in, and it links up the account and makes it all happen. Now I can go and take a look at that account. If we go to Tools, Hosted Storage, what we'll see is that I don't have any account. I have not set up any backups yet, but it's showing me what to do, that I need to upgrade to SQL Backup Pro 7.3. I then need to do the link, and then I need to run the wizard to be able to back up my stuff. Let's close this out. Let's actually do a backup. Now I'm going to run a backup here. It's my local backup, local database. So I'm going to do full, and it's just the database that I'm interested in. And I get, a single backup file, the location, the file name, same stuff as you're used to seeing. And I get to copy backup to hosted storage because I've already got a link account. You can see it right here. It knows where it's going, so that's all set. I can pick my normal options, whether or not I want to compress things, whether or not I'm using threads, all the rest of that stuff. Yes, of course, I want to be able to verify and use checksum, and then it's all ready to go. And if you take a look at the script, you can see that there is no large-scale additional stuff, but there is one little bit here, copy to hosted, so that extra little command makes sure that it copies to my hosted storage, which is already linked. And so when I click Finish, it's now going to run and perform the full backup. And so my backup was complete, and you can see all the information about the backup, and it gives you all kinds of information. Now, what it doesn't tell you is whether or not that backup is copied out yet. But if we take a look down here, we can see that the backup was successful. We have an alert message, not an error, but an alert saying it's waiting for the copy to complete. Now the copy is going to complete in just a minute or two. And now you see that my hosted storage backup was successful. I even get a little icon down here showing me that it was successful, that this was copied out. And let's take a look back at that hosted storage website again. And now you see my off-site backup is available on the web, on the cloud. I can manipulate this, download it to this, back to this machine, download it to another machine as part of a disaster recovery scenario. I can delete it right over here. I can do all the kind of management that I need to do to maintain my files. But the most important thing to think about is I have an offsite backup. Thanks for watching. My name is Grant Fritchie. I'm the Scary DBA. I work for Redgate Software.